Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can convert text into numbers. So I have an Excel sheet here, and in column D I have some numbers. So the numbers listed from 10 to 50, they are numbers but they are formatted as text. So from 60 to 100, these are formatted as numbers. So in this set of numbers from 10 to 50, the numbers are on the left and they have a green marker on it, which means there's an error. So for example, I'm going to convert 10 to a number. So I'm going to click on the first cell, which is 10. And when you click on that cell, on the left side, there's a yellow triangle. It says the number in this cell is formatted as text. There's also a drop-down tab. I'm going to click on it and I get a few options. So I'm going to select convert to number. So 10 is converted from a text format to a number format. So to convert the rest of the numbers, all I have to do is just highlight all the numbers, and on the left side click on the drop down tab and select convert to number, and now all is converted to numbers. So the second option is to multiply. So in one of these cells I'm just going to type 1. I'm going to right click the cell, click copy. So I'm going to click on the cell with the 10 and I'll click on the paste drop down tab, click on paste special. I'm going to get this paste special box. I'll select multiply and click OK. So 10 is converted to a number. So I'm going to do the rest from 20 to 50. So I'm going to right click the 1, click copy. I am going to select from 20 to 50. Click on the drop down tab on the paste, click paste special, select multiply and click OK. And it's all converted to numbers. So the third option, I'm going to select the cell with the 10, click on the data tab here, and on the right side I'm going to click on text to columns and I'll click finish, and the 10 that was in text format is converted to a number format. So I'm going to complete the rest of it. I'm going to select the cells from 20 to 50, click on data, click on text to columns and click finish. The numbers were converted from text format to number format. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.